Hello everyone. Today we'll explore one of the hottest topics in the world of technology, blockchain. You've probably heard this word associated with cryptocurrency, but in reality, its capabilities are much broader. We'll explain what it is in simple terms, how it works, and where it's already being used, not just in finance. Let's get started. First, the most important thing. What is blockchain? The name literally translates as chain of blocks. Imagine a ledger where each page is a block containing information about an event. For example, you transferred money to a friend. This transaction and its details, the time, the amount, the participants, are recorded in a block. And here's the important thing. All network participants have copies of this ledger on their computers. Moreover, all blocks are linked together using cryptography. This is exactly how Bitcoin works. Every participant can see every transaction that has ever occurred. This is the essence of blockchain. Open access to information that cannot be changed retroactively. Let's look at an example. Let's say you sent the launch codes for a rocket. How does this information get into the blockchain? There are 4 steps. The first step is you click the send button. This confirms the start of the process. The second step is the transaction is sent to the network and reaches the computers of other participants. They verify the data, when the transaction occurred, how much was transferred, who participated. The third step is that after confirmation, the transaction is recorded in a block. Other transactions that occurred at the same time are added to it. The fourth step is that the block is assigned a unique code called a hash. Only then can the block be added to the overall chain, and the information becomes publicly available. So, if you look at the Bitcoin blockchain, you'll see all the transactions, who transferred what, when, and how much, as well as when and by whom each block was added. So why is blockchain being called the breakthrough of the century? It has several great advantages. First, it's decentralized. There's no central server or control center. Everything is distributed among the participants. It's like a perfect democracy in the digital world. Second, transparency. Anyone can view the data on the blockchain. Every action and its connections are easily traceable. Third, immutability. Once information is on the blockchain, it can no longer be changed or deleted. Fourth, security. To hack the system, you would need to control more than half of the network participants, and that's practically impossible. And fifth, cost-effectiveness. Unlike banks, blockchain doesn't charge a fee for transfers. You only pay a small fee to support the network. It's received by the validators who verify and record transactions. Now the important question. Is blockchain only about cryptocurrencies? Yes and no. Yes, because the idea of blockchain emerged with Bitcoin in 2008-2009, but the technology has advanced greatly since then. Blockchain can now store not only monetary data, but also information about product deliveries, voting results, budget allocations, medical records, smart contracts, and much more. Here are a few surprising examples. Blockchain is used to protect endangered species, combat art counterfeiting, and monitor food safety. Deloitte conducted a survey of 1,000 companies in 7 countries. The results are impressive. 34% are already using blockchain, and another 41% plan to implement it in the next 12 months. Nearly 40% plan to invest $5 million or more in this technology as early as next year. Where is blockchain already in use? Let's look at several areas. Banking. Here, blockchain speeds up payments and transfers. They happen 24/7. It simplifies dividend management, purchasing, managing, and paying out. It's estimated that users can save up to $16 billion annually on banking and insurance services thanks to blockchain-based applications. Healthcare. Patient medical records are securely stored, and new information, test results, diagnoses, prescriptions, is added instantly. Real estate. Blockchain simplifies property registration and makes it possible to move the process online. Sharing economy. Services like Uber and Airbnb charge a commission for intermediaries. Blockchain eliminates the middleman. Buyers and sellers communicate directly, saving time and money. Crowdfunding. The technology makes fundraising transparent. You always see where the money goes and how it's used. Supply chain audits. Want to know where the vegetables in your supermarket were grown or which sea your salmon for dinner came from? Blockchain makes this possible. For example, the Ethereum-based Provenance project already tracks fish supplies from Indonesia to Japan's sushi restaurants. This is how blockchain is changing the world, not only in finance, but also in medicine, logistics, real estate, and other fields. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more to come. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.